Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone and getting into recovery mode. This is critical because the factory reset runs outside Android and needs a stable battery. Once the device is off, press and hold volume up plus home and then press power. Keep holding until you see the Samsung logo, then release power but continue volume up plus home. You should reach the Android recovery menu. If you see normal boot, power off and repeat. Patience matters here because timing controls entry. Once in recovery, navigate with the volume keys and use power to confirm. This is how you safely choose options without touch controls. Highlight wipe data/factory reset and press power. You do this because it clears user data and returns system software to default. Next, select Yes, delete all user data to begin the process. The phone will show progress lines or text. When it finishes, you return to the recovery menu. This step is irreversible, so double-check you backed up important data before proceeding. After the wipe completes, choose Reboot System Now and the phone will restart into a clean setup. This finalizes the reset and rebuilds default system files. If the device gets stuck or keeps booting to recovery, power off and re-enter recovery to run the wipe again, or first try Wipe Cache Partition to remove temporary files. If problems persist, consider a firmware reflash with Odin as a last resort. Do this only if you understand the risks, because flashing can alter device software permanently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.